Guys, this is the AquaMiracle AP80 air pump. Now this is for various purposes, including your home waste systems that you might have. I have a modad in the ground here at my house, which means there's a big tank, and the human waste and toilet paper and stuff goes into the big tank, into the ground, and it's supposed to, when it works, it's designed to have this air pump to blast air into it to help move the waste around and to help break down that human waste before it goes out into a ditch out at the road. And if you don't have the air pump, then you're not using your monad's not, going to be working properly and breaking down that waste at the right way that it's supposed to do. So there comes in several different sizes. They have an AP 40, 60, 80, and 160. I got the AP 80, which is like their third highest. Nice blue color here. And so what we're going to do, we're going to put this on the side of the house and replace the existing pump that we have. It's not the same brand. All right, so we got the AquaMiracle AP80 pump hooked up right here. I can feel right here the vibration on the hose that's in the ground, and this hose is hooked up, goes to the front where the modad system is. And we got these little clamps on. They had a clamp on here already. They gave me another clamp, and they had a couple of other pieces that I didn't have a need for. All right, so they gave these pieces right here. I didn't have a need for these, but depending on what you're doing, and this is a little piece that has the holes in it, so the air can come out of these holes. I can drop that into your pond, most likely, right? All right, but super quiet right now. It's humming, purring, and getting air pumped into the tank in the ground. I have a little, stepping stone right here to kind of keep it up off the ground. You can see, this is a area that gets a lot of exposure to the sun and rain. So these things take a lot of heavy wear and tear right here outside, but hopefully we'll be good for a good little while with this fresh AquaMiracle AP80 air pump here for our modad system. If you are looking for one, it's super quiet. I like that. So we have a bedroom right here next to it. That way we don't want to disturb anybody sleeping. Also, we have neighbors right behind me over here. We don't want them to have to hear loud humming noises. So that's what it looks like, the AquaMiracle AP80.